6 businesses that will never stop running. If someone is in the deciding phase of what business startup they should go ahead with, choosing any of these 5 business ideas will not only give them success, but to their future generations as well. Since this world came into being, humans have been involved in various businesses' ideas and have executed those ideas in a lot of different ways. From those barter systems in the early civilizations to the modern-day buying and selling of goods and services, humans have always found their ways to basic survival through running businesses with an aim to yield profits. As far as the success or failure of a business is concerned, if someone is in the deciding phase of what business startup they should go ahead with, choosing any of these 6 business ideas will not only give them success, but to their future generations as well. So what are those 5 business ideas? Let's have a look. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. 1. Treatment. If we take a look back at our history, we have been getting sick and ill due to one reason or another. Since our oldest of civilizations, there is evidence of countless types of diseases, illnesses, and regional or global pandemics. So what are the different ways through which you can benefit from the medical industry? Let's have a look. Doctor. You can study medicine and serve as a doctor or even open up your own clinic. Pharmacist. You can become a pharmacist and offer your expertise. Nursing. You can acquire relevant nursing courses and serve as a certified nurse. Lab technician. Every medical laboratory needs technicians, it's a good option. Medical store. You can open up a medical store after getting relevant licenses. Food supplements and nutrition manufacturing. All those body fitness freaks that you see these days, they need high-end supplements and nutrients in their diet plans. A good, profitable business if you invest in it. 2. Education. During the Second World War, there was a total shutdown in almost all sectors of the economy in the Western countries, particularly Germany and United Kingdom. The only places that were still operating were the educational institutes. If you are looking for a long-term line of work or business startup, education is undoubtedly a good choice. This is what you can do in the education sector. Schooling business. You can invest in a school, start up, or buy a franchise. College and university. Although this might need slightly higher initial investment, however, it is quite profitable if done the right way. Teacher. If you think you have the right skills to teach others, teaching can be a really good, stable business. Stationery. Students will always need their stationery items. This can be a really good business startup. Career counseling. Students need expert advice regarding what's best for them and their future. You can get into this business and generate stable income via commissions from both side students and universities you help them to enroll in. 3. Construction. More than half of world's total wealth is into construction sector. Why is that? Because people will always need a place to live. Under even the most difficult of times, you might cut back on other expenses, but you will always need a shelter. The various ways you can excel in the construction sector are: architect. Although a bit too technical, a profound architect can do wonders with his or her life. Contractor/builder. They say a contractor is the one who gets the highest cut usually. Learn this business to generate good money. Construction chemicals. Construction sector will always need high-end grouts, epoxy floors, resins, and other chemicals. A very high profit sector it is for sure. Design and interiors. If you have good designing skills, house design and interiors can be a really successful venture. Property business. Buying and selling of land is a business that you can excel in with minimal technical knowledge or experience. 4. Clothes. Clothing business is another business idea that has immense growth opportunities if carried out the right way. Following are some of the related sectors that you can profit from. Fabric. Fabric business is a good choice if you know the right channels and marketplaces for it. Wholesale. In Asian countries, wholesale selling of garments can leave you good profit margins. Retailer. If you have the skills and can market your products to the right clientele, opening up a retail shop can be a good idea. Boutique. After conducting proper market analysis and segmentation, boutique startup can be a good startup idea. Wedding, party wear, formal clothing are all high-end market niches. Tailor. Although a bit on the technical side, if you have the tailoring art, you can make some serious money. 5. In the globe, if you know how to cook good food and serve it in a presentable manner, you can for sure generate good profits. For instance, restaurant. A good food place is something we all want. Food supply chain. Food places need supplies on a constant basis, so this can be a good option. Quality vs quantity. Low-income groups will prefer quantity, while high-income groups would prefer food quality. Beverages, juices, coffee shops, ice cream parlor can have growth opportunity if done after proper market research. Fruits and vegetables. This is something that people need on a daily basis, good for those with low investments. 6. Content provider. Sites like Fiverr offer a great opportunity for writers, editors, photographers, artists, and video makers to book gigs from businesses with an assortment of content needs. The amount of money one can generate will vary greatly on a person's drive and talent. Thank you for watching.